This full motion TV wall mount is a sturdy and versatile solution for mounting your TV securely and stylishly. It's designed to fit most 37 to 75-inch flat or curved TVs weighing up to 100 pounds. Whether you're installing on wood studs, concrete, or brick walls, this mount has you covered. It's made with a solid steel frame. This mount features anti-drop end caps and security locks, ensuring your TV stays in place. The real highlight is its multi-angle viewing capability. With a 45-degree swivel, you can easily adjust your TV to enjoy the perfect viewing angle from anywhere in the room. The 5 to 15-degree tilt helps reduce glare, and the 3-degree leveling feature lets you fine-tune the position even after installation. This full motion mount extends up to 16.73 inches to bring your TV closer, or retracts back to just 2.9 inches for a sleek, space-saving look. Installation is straightforward, with the included instruction manual, drilling template, and all the necessary mounting hardware. So if you're looking for a reliable, adjustable, and easy to install TV mount, this full motion wall mount is a fantastic choice to enhance your home entertainment setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.